Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Mason Pearson. I'm on Twitter, MasonPearson21, and today I have two boxes I'm going to open on YouTube, but I'm going to make separate videos actually this time. So the first one is another blaster box of this 2017-18 Upper Deck MVP. I opened one before, 24 packs in every box. Crazy, it's fun. This might be the last one I try. We'll see. And I also got this for clearance. It's a must buy because for my collection. 2015 Donruss Elite Baseball. I don't remember if it's guaranteed autograph or not, or Relic. I don't remember for some reason. But Kris Bryant's rookie is in here. So let's try this first. There's like 2 or 3 of them. Now I can only find one. Gonna use a sword. It actually works really good for plastic. I got a pack of Pokemon cards and opened it. I got that one before this video here. No, I'm going to upload it right now, then I'm going to upload that video first. Alright. Just like this. Never opened a pack or a box of these before. 4 packs, every box. So what we get? David Ortiz on the cover. I think King of our country opened one of these boxes. I thought he said that. I don't remember. I don't know if he opened a video or not, but remember he said he opened one time. So we get in these packs, 5 cards per pack. Triple threads, and gold label just came out. Someone's in there, cool. Got an Ichiro, Jose Abreu, second year. Julio Teheran, 21 Century. Cool card there. Atlanta. I haven't heard much of this guy lately. This one's numbered, by the way. What is it? Can't really see. 199. Alright, I can't really see on the camera. Shiny card. Hype. Carlos Correa, nice one there. He was a big minor league player around my area. He played for the Quad City River Bandits. Quad City River Bandits won the championship, Midwest Championship. David Price in his college uni. So you get one in every pack, it looks like. So we got another one here. I bet Kris Bryant has one of those college unis too. University of San Diego. So you get the cards in the back here. Joe Mauer, Buster Posey, Curtis Hendricks. I bet you like this one. Pretty cool. I like the design of these cards. 21 Century of... Oh no, not 21 Century. Gold Stars of Ricky Henderson. Sorry if I said that wrong thing. Ricky Henderson, nice one there. If you guys hear background noise, I'm watching Children of the Corn. Got Carlos Beltran, Alex Cobb. Alright. Anthony Rizzo. Got Henderson Alvarez. Oh, come on, Kris Bryant. Trevor, no. Short to a whiskey. What does that say? All-Star Salute. Alright, that looks like a cool card. Can't really see what that said. Was it numbered? No, it was not. Pretty card though. Pretty card. I don't know why I said that. I meant to say cool card. Bob Gibson. Legends of the Fall. And you get some vintage cards of him someday. 68's my favorite. And Perkins. Alright, final pack. Oh, come on, Kris Bryant, rookie. Might have to open up maybe another blaster someday, but a hobby for sure. I think they're pretty cheap right now. Matt Barnes. Salvador ooh, we got a jersey. Oh, nice. Oh, Jake Marisnick. Oh, nice. Jersey card, though, and an autograph. Was it number 2? $2.99. This is a good break. Features threads. Jake Martin. I can't say it right now. Marisnick. Here we go. That's a cool card. Remember the $2.99? Oh, imagine if that was a Kris Bryant, though. I always shape my pants. And speaking about pants, I got new pants. Oh, that's a nice card. Alright, final 2 cards. Pete Rose and Gregory Polanco. Oh, that was a nice hit. I don't know if that was guaranteed or not. You know what that means? I think I might open a hobby box here. It might have to happen. Alright, guys. I will see you guys with the next break. I kind of wish I could find the other box for this. Correct, somebody bought it, but thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Oh, see you guys next time. Shiny card.
Sure. One more thing is recommended by professionals, chiropractors, physical therapists, life biofreaks, and also available at retail. For best results,